Hi, I'm Jim Morris. I'm the CTO of T1V, and I'm going to be demoing a new feature that we've just added into ThinkHub called MultiSite Collaboration. It allows multiple ThinkHub walls to interact with each other. So it's not just viewing, but you can actually interact on both sides. So I can move objects, the people in the remote location can move objects, either one of them can annotate on objects interactively. So we'll demo this starting out here. And we basically, here we have two walls to simulate two different locations, but they're only connected through the network. And if I come up here, I pop up our background menu, it now has a new feature called Remote Sharing Session. And if I click Start on that, it pulls up a box, and I can just enter some name. I'm going to say Demo. Oops, typed it wrong. Demo. And then hit Start. And it says successfully started this session. And now I move over to a different location. I tap on the wall here. I hit Start, Join, and it shows this one already in session. I hit Join, and we're joined. And now at this point, anything that happens on either end gets mirrored to the other end. So, for example, I could come over here and pull up an image file. As you can see, the image file shows up there. If I move it around here, moves around there. At the same time, I can zoom in, zoom out. Anything that happens here gets mirrored on the other one. And so we can do this with all the standard file types that we have, we can do that, also with our different apps that we have, like the Sketchpad. If I come here and I draw on the Sketchpad, as you can see, it's annotating in real time over there. We also have the ability to have different views on these two canvases. So I can look at something different than you are, or we can look at the same area. So, the notepad does the same thing. So if I put the notepad over there, you see it. Also the web browser. The most interesting part, though, is when you even bring your own devices. So, for example, as you can see here, we have a Windows Surface computer, which is saying some message, and we have a Mac laptop, and I also have my iPhone. We currently have these devices connected, and they show up in the device tray. And if I tap on, for example, the Mac computer, you can see it shows up here. It also shows up in the remote location as well. Also the same with the Windows Surface computer. And just to demo that, I'll also pull up with my iPhone, connect to the correct server, and then that shows up in the device tray here. If I tap it, it pops up here on the screen. And everything that happens on your phone is live. It's going between either one. Now, to demonstrate the interactive capability, I'll annotate some items here, and Morgan will annotate some items over there. Maybe I'll toss that one over to her so she can use it. I'll put my sketch tool up here. And as you can see, we're both working at the same time. I'm drawing things. She's interacting over on that side. I can pull the iPhone over here. I can take a snapshot of this item. You can annotate on top of items. So if I annotate there, it clearly shows up. Annotate here on top of the Windows machine. So any of the images. So it's completely interactive, so that we can have a meeting where we both collaborate fully. So again, this is a demonstration of our new feature that we've added into ThinkHub called MultiSite Collaboration.